Tiny Reviewer. Today's mystery reviewing item is mini egg rolls. Well, really spring rolls, I call them. Chicken with 100% white meat and freshly chopped cabbage, carrots, onions, and celery. My, I did not know that celery was in here. I ate this a long time ago. I was like, these is yummy, but I never knew that there was celery inside, which, in my opinion, is my least favorite vegetable after onion. But anyways, I hope you guys like them, but I don't really like them anyways. No preservatives, no MSG added. So, 50 count, which means there are 50 egg rolls or spring rolls if you call them inside, except for small amounts naturally occurring in soy sauce. So here are the nutrition facts. It's a bit big. And here are the ingredients. It contains wheat, soy, and eggs. So if you're allergic to that, do not eat it. The price is $9.79 rounded. It's about $10. So here's just some things that there's scratch-made wrappers, tender white meat chicken, authentic seasonings, and freshly cut vegetables. You can preparation instructions. You can use conventional oven, which is the preferred method. You can use deep fry and microwave based on 3 egg rolls, which is 1,100 watts. So my family uses the conventional oven. Now let's unbox it. I'm not an unboxer. I'm more of an eater in my section, really. There we go. Okay, so here is mine. I'll show you right now. Oh my goodness. So that's 1. That's 2. So these are 2 packages of egg rolls or spring rolls, as I call them. So now let's cook it and taste it with a little sauce that I'm gonna show you, which is Cholula. So I'm gonna put in about, it's not 17, 12 spring rolls into the conventional oven. Well, really an air fry. So it's actually in a conventional oven that can be turned into an air fry. So if it's kind of blurry, there's some type of little foggy thing caught in the oven glass. So if you guys can see, this is what it looks like that are right now baking for about 14 minutes or so. So I took the spring rolls out of the oven. It's still pretty hot. So if I was gonna cut it for me, I'm gonna dip it in the sauces. This sauce is just a simple one, just mixing soy sauce and apple vinegar. And the other one is Cholula. I'm just testing out to see how it tastes like. So my father's gonna cut it for me and I'll see you afterwards. So my father cut it for me into a third. So I'm gonna use my tongs instead of fork and mini tongue helpers. I'm gonna take one that's at the corner because I feel it's more or less hot. So I'm gonna dip one in here and the other one in the Cholula. So first let's do it the standard way into the soy sauce and vinegar sauce. It's yummy. I feel like I'm eating at a Chinese restaurant right now. It's actually a good thing because I can't go to any type of restaurant, whether it's Japanese, Chinese, in this time of year, so great. And I'm gonna dip this one in Cholula, the Mexican hot sauce. This is also nice too. I never thought of hot sauce, only sriracha. I thought that would be okay, but I never thought this runny type of hot sauce, Cholula, would be a great fit with the spring rolls. You guys should try both sauces. Well, if you can't get this, you can just dip in soy sauce if you want. Press the like button and press the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!